Welcome to this learning journey on nature for peace. Around the world, nature is not only a source of life and livelihoods, but also a powerful force for building peace and resilience. Nature-based solutions can help reduce conflict, promote stability, and support communities in recovering from crises. In this journey, we'll explore how nature can contribute to peace building and recovery efforts. Here's what we'll learn. First, the role of healthy ecosystems in reducing conflict and promoting stability. How nature-based solutions support communities in recovering from crises. Case studies demonstrating how nature fosters peace and resilience, and strategies for integrating peace building into environmental projects. Throughout this journey, you'll engage with videos, photo essays, case studies, and interactive exercises. And throughout, you can keep this central question in mind. How can we leverage nature-based solutions to promote peace and prevent conflict? To begin, let's first get a better understanding of this relationship. Let's explore exactly why nature matters for peace.